Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best car LED headlight bulb. So stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. Efficient heat dissipation. The Novsight LED bulb features silent hydraulic oil fan technology combined with a thermal cooling cycle system, ensuring effective heat dissipation and prolonging LED lifespan. High brightness output. With a high power output and mini product size, the Novsight LED bulb delivers superior brightness while maintaining a compact design, enhancing nighttime visibility. Fast startup time. Unlike traditional halogen bulbs, this LED headlight has no delay and provides instant illumination, ensuring immediate visibility when needed. Superior thermal conductivity. The use of a high thermal conductivity red copper substrate significantly enhances heat dissipation, ensuring better cooling and extending the lifespan of the LED components. Smart temperature control. Equipped with a full intelligent chip temperature control system, the bulb continuously monitors its temperature in real time, reducing the risk of overheating and preventing premature failure. Well-defined light pattern. The Novsight LED headlight bulb offers a precise light cutting line, eliminating scattered light and improving visibility without causing glare to oncoming drivers. Pros: high brightness output for enhanced visibility. Efficient heat dissipation prolongs LED lifespan. Instant startup time ensures immediate illumination. Smart temperature control prevents overheating. Well-defined light pattern improves night driving safety. Easy installation with plug-and-play functionality. Cons: limited compatibility with certain vehicle models. May require additional adapters for specific installations. Final thoughts. The Novsight Car LED headlight bulb offers a combination of high brightness, efficient heat dissipation, and smart temperature control, making it a reliable choice for enhancing your vehicle's lighting system. Its easy installation and well-defined light pattern further contribute to improved driving safety. However, it's essential to ensure compatibility with your vehicle model before purchasing. Check the price link in the description. Like and subscribe Tech Product.